E kinde ma duol ma kedo gi mibadhi e piny Kenya medo kedo gi mibadhi, rowere moko maluongore ni Anti-Corruption Crusaders mawuok e boma ma Eldoret ochako wuoth ka giwuok Eldoret nyaka Nairobi kedo romo gi apisa mag duol ma kedo gi mibadhi e pacho ka. Rowerego nokwayo duol ma kedo gi mibadhi mondo ochung' kodgi mar neno ni mibadhi orumo. Jakom EACC Dr. David Oginde karwakogi nopuoyo rowerego kosingo mar rwako duond rowere e kedo gi mibadhi.
The youth experience corruption in public offices through inter alia, bribery, and inducements demanded for recruitment into public services. Point number 2 is that irregular and non-transparent procurement processes that exclude genuine youth-owned enterprises.
That the items and the issues you raised in the petition will be addressed item by item. We have a team that will analyze the requirements or the issues that you've raised. We will ensure they will be implemented. Of course, there are those that will require time. There are those that will require resources to implement. But we assure you that we take your work very, very seriously.
There's no nation in the world that has ever survived because of violating ethics and integrity. It collapses definitely. So our country is in a bad place where, as you people have clearly pointed out, the rich are stealing from the poor. They are undermining the values of the country.
Nyithindo maheo gana 68 mantiere skunde mag nasari e kaunti ma Kisii koro dhi winjo ber kowuok e chenro mar chiwo chak